Friends, today in this video, I will discuss about an important circuit which turn on and off this lamp according to intensity of light. I request you please watch this video till end and subscribe my channel. Friends, now I explain about the circuit briefly. I will share the diagram of the circuit at end of the video. Friends, in this circuit, LDR plays an important role which detect intensity of light, and according to intensity of light, it turn on and off this lamp. Friends, I also use a potentiometer to set the intensity of the circuit. Here you can see I use two transistors whose number is 13003 ED. Here you can see I use two LEDs, one is green and other is red. The green LED will be on at night time, and here you can see I also use a relay which operate this lamp. Friends, now we check the output of this circuit. To check the output, I connect power supply into breadboard. Friends, you can see when power is connected to this circuit, red LED is on. It means there is light around the LDR. When there will be darkness around the LDR, then red LED will be off, green LED and lamp will be on. Friends, I hope you like this video. I request you please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you.